Suraan o Brusco. Easy basket for number 2 against number 22. Possible number 6. Mid-range jumper is good. Team Brusco. Number 22 driving the middle. The bottom of the body inside. Bounce shot is good. To Rainbow against number 2. Oh, body inside against 3 defenders. Bounce shot is good. Making something. Against 2 defenders. The Covenant kicks it out to the corner. Hesitates. Drives to the side lane. Floater is good. Looking for a teammate. Passes the ball to number 16. Troyo did not hesitate the shot and shoots the 3-point. 3-point. Passes the ball. Takes it out to Villalon. Takes the pass. Passes it to number 2. Peralta. Low arcing shot. Bang! 3-point. Troyo jump shot in the 3-point. No good. Offensive rebound by number 0. Benjola. Basket is good. Against number 11. Passes the ball to number 6. Jump shot. And number 0 rather. Basket. Smooth looking jump. So number 7, Benjola. Pass and pass. Oh, takes the pass to Odor. G. Ferdinand is 3-point. Moma to Dizon, the veteran of Team Brusco. Moma against 2 defenders. Kicks. Passes out. Good pass. What a pass by Alampay to number 0, Salvador. Benjola to Ventula. Ventuo. Floater. Basket. So 50 seconds to play. Amova, what a pass to number 11, Alampay. Bounce shot is good.
Shooter tayo, madali ba?
23 season, drives in the... Oh, blind pass to number 11, Alampay. Alampay with a mid-range jumper. Jump shot is good. Number 2 against number 9. Decides to shoot 3 points. The long arcing shot. 3 points. Number 9 with the leather. Passes the ball to Soperiano. So number 32, quick pass to number 16, basket is good. Soperiano against 2 defenders. Pass the ball to number 32, Torres. Quick pass to number 16, back-to-back jumper for number 16. Down to number 22, Legado. To the Benjola, open 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by number 16. Number 14, Soperiano against number 22. Looking for a teammate. Quick pass. Complete the 3-point. Tagalos drives to the sideline. Oh, up another 10 to shoot. Benjola. 3-point. Tagalos intercepted but recovered by number 9. Torres intercepted. Oh, Toro. 10 to shoot. Torres running inside. Floater is good. Go to Superiano. Walang kalaban. Oh, pass the ball. Decides to pass it to number 21. And convert. Number 17, Ventula. To number 15, Tanyo looking for a teammate, body inside, decides to body inside against 2 defenders, blocks it up and in. It's number 15, Tanyo. 9, drives to the left, pass to Tanyo, back-to-back jumpers, back-to-back is it. A quick pass to Ventula, pass to Superiano, alley-oop to play to number 22, bank shot is good, back-to-back, bank shot. Gola, asking for a spin, long pass to number 21, in the opposite corner, bang! 3-point! Pass the ball to number 32, Torres, the big man of Team Brusco. Offside to play, a bank shot is good. What a move for number 22, Torres. Asking for a spin, quick pass to number 13, James Simons. 3 points, number 13. Mariano against number 17, veteran to veteran. Number 9, what a pass to number 22. Cigar with an easy money under the basket. To Legado, passes the ball to number 7, back-to-back is it? At the end. 3 points! Soperiano, bounce pass, quick pass to number 32, back shot is good for number 22, Torres. Benjola, quick pass to number 22, Legado, back to Benjola, for the 3-point! Bang! 3 pass to Usman pa, Legado, Legado na si Legado. Easy money to Torres against number 7, Benjola. One-hand pass to Salvador. Free throw line jumper is good. Long pass to number 6, Zerbab. Oh, side to the bounce shot. Masalobang as rebounded by Peralta. Put back is good. One by number 0. Inbo against. Pass to the ball to Zerbab. Teammate pass to the ball to number 28, Gael Zado. Bounding is it. Oh! Loses the handle, but the cover by number 15, Tanyo. Jump shot is good. For number 15, Tanyo. Peralta looking for a teammate. Alio played the corner. Bounding is against Tanyo. Good is good. Segundos. Benjola, quick pass to number 2, Benjola. 3 points, Benjola. Players, please tuck in your jersey. Number 0, Salvador, jump shot, quick jumper to start the third. Number 23, Dizon, asking for a screen. Dizon drives, pick and roll action, what a pass! Easy pass and easy jumper. Number 7, Benjola. Steered. Not to his left. Signal play. Pass the ball. Intercepted and stolen by number 13, Tumawa pa. Nagkapay pa siya. Easy man for the ball. 55-34. Benjola with a mid-range jumper in the side lane. It's good. Dizon. Looking for a teammate. Alampay. Blind pass to number 13. Amora, bang shot is good. Back to remaining. Legados. Dancing. To the left. Bang shot. It's good. Back to Dizon, number 23. As the first game, Dizon decides to shoot the 3-point. 3 points. Dizon. Nagpapandali si Amoma. Left layup. Bang shot is good. Kaya dato. Number 23, Dizon against guarded by number 22, Legados. Dizon to his right. Blind pass to number 13. Basket again. Number 23, Legados. Blind pass to number 15, Tanyo. Pinabang shot. Then, Alio play. Intercepted by the number 15. Reverse layup is good. Number 23, Dizon. Signal play. 2 minutes. 4 minutes. Recovered by number 22, Villar. What a pass to number 32, Torres. What? Legados. Quick pass, number 15. Turnaround jumper. May awa ang ring. Legados. To James Harden. Long arm shot. Bang! 3 points. Okay. Looking for a teammate. Back to Jerman for 3. Bang! Long pass. Pwede pa magkapi si Jerman. Itsura Alfred Busco to the version to Bunning is over. Basket is good. Bypass. Recovered to number 11. Alampay. Back. Bullet pass to number 0. Long pass. Jeep. Alampay. Quick pass to number 22. Big job. Versus Team Busco. Quick pass to number 0. Opening. Quick pass to number 16. First 17. Benjola. Long speed line. Benjola drives in the middle and bang shot is good. Layup is good. To Peralta. In the corner. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebounded by number 16. Putback is good for number 16. Impo. 2-on-3 passing opportunity. Possible Salvador. Batting inside against number 11. Against two defenders. Gets his own miss. Salvador again. Putback. No good again. Salvador passes over to Amoma. Off. Bang shot. Good. To Pentula. Pentula close over. Drives in the middle. Layup. Oh. Basket. Pentula. Pagdala na bola. Ipinasa kay namin to. Benjola for 3. Bang. 3 points. Benjola. Signal play. Drives to the right. Quick pass to number 2, to number 16. Rather, Imbo. Quick pass to Peralta. Oh. Ipinapapapang bola. Pinasa muli kay number 13. Amoma. Amoma against 2 defenders. Amoma. Aliyop dito number 21. Peralta. May kasama pang pass. Completes the 3-point-yard. The Senator of the Philippines. Long pass. Convert of our country, Philippines. Number 6, German to number 22, Villar. Sunny Villar. Number Curiona, Bentula, nagbamadali, layup, basket. Bola kay number 11, Alampay. tinguha.
Bulot siya.
Villar, quick pass. Quick
Ha?
ball move. Convert.
Tingnan mo no.
Quick passing.
Tingnan no.
Number 22, Torres, long pass to Ronay. To number 06, reverse layup. No good. Recovered and rebounded by number 19 of Villar. Again to develop. Block. Partially block. Ventura rather. Oh, up and under move. What a kick and a
Di
move.
ba nato sa broso si Kwan?
Head to shoot. Torres drives in the middle, asking for a screen. Torres kicks it out to number 11, Alampay. Warm up shot. Good to number 11. Number 16, number 7, long pass. Ventura against number 08. Bang! Turnaround jumper. Go.